everybody, I'm back. Yeah, just a little housekeeping item. If you enjoyed the videos, then if you wouldn't mind hitting the like button and subscribing, that would be great. That's what kind of helps build the channel. Anyway, Ezra here, and today I'm going to clean my Maestro Echoplex. It's in working condition, but it hasn't been cleaned or maintained in probably 30 years. So I bought it in the 90s. I don't think it had been cleaned when I bought it, and I never really cleaned it, took care of it. I did clean the tape heads at some point in the 90s. So I got a bunch of stuff here together in order to take care of it. The first thing is from echofix.com. I downloaded the Echoplex owner's manual, printed it out, killed some trees for this. I printed it out because it's a lot easier to read that way rather than having to flip through on my phone, which I'm using for this video. So I got that, and then I bought some foam cleaning pads, which hopefully are they're foam swabs. They're a little bit better than cotton swabs, but I do have some cotton swabs, regular Q-tips as well. So I've got those. I bought some deoxit, so I've got that to clean out the electrical connections and all the connectors. And then I've got some just Windex, which I'm going to use to kind of clean off the top of the thing and just kind of get any loose dirt off. I've also got some isopropyl rubbing alcohol, 70%, which according to the Intertubes is fine for cleaning tape heads and such. So I'm going to use that. And then some screwdrivers and whatnot. And the pièce de résistance is I actually have some new old stock Echoplex, is that upside down? No. Echoplex cartridges. I have two of these that I bought in the 90s, and I held on to them for all these years, and I actually was able to find them in my closet. So I have two of them, and I paid $25 for them each at the time, which seems crazy to me. Like, that's actually kind of expensive for a tape head, but I guess they were in short supply, and but it's really pretty cool that they were available. And I was thinking ahead. I bought two of them, and these come. We'll do a little unboxing here of a 20-year-old part, or probably even older than that. So do a little unboxing here. So I think that you get the tape cartridge. So you get a tape cartridge. See, there's the tape cartridge. Brand new tape cartridge for the Echoplex. And then in addition to that, there is this is just a piece of cardboard. I don't know what that's for. I think that there is a retention pad that is used to kind of hold and clean the tape as it goes through. And let me see, I'm not sure exactly what this thing is called. I think it's on the Echoplex. I think it's on the box. Let's see. It says pressure pad. Yeah, so it's a pressure pad. Anyway, so there's that. So cool. So I've got this new old stock Echoplex tape heads or tapes, and I am going to use one of these to replace the current one that I have in the Echoplex. And I actually have two Echoplexes, and one of them is not working, as I've said in my previous video. So just housekeeping, if you don't know what an Echoplex is, you can watch one of my other videos. There's tons of videos online about Echoplexes that are in great condition. I've seen like on That Pedal Show, they did a great episode on the Echoplex, and they had a really nice looking Echoplex that had been serviced and was in really great looking. So this one is really old and kind of dirty. So let's get to it first. So the first thing I want to do is I just want to clean off. I got some paper towels here. I just want to clean off the kind of top so that no dirt falls into the Echoplex when I open it up and start moving around. So I'm just going to spray a little Windex onto a paper towel just to clean off the top a little bit. Like that. I could probably use the rubbing alcohol for this too, but who knows what that would do. So that just kind of takes the dirt off of it. I'm not going to do too much to it because it does have a kind of nice patina, but I just want to get some of the loose dirt off of it so that when I open it up, it doesn't fall into the electronics and such. Okay, cool. So we've done that. I will put this over here and let's open it up and see what we got. So here we go. Take the top off. This is like an Echoplex ASMR. Taking the top off the Echoplex ASMR. So I don't need this at the moment. I will put this down. If I need a reference, I'll use that along with my handy dandy service manual. Okay, so here's the Echoplex. Let's just clean it off a little bit. I got the same thing here. All right, I'm back. I think the battery on one of my cameras died or something. Anyway, back to cleaning this thing. I'm just using a little rubbing alcohol to clean it off. And I want to save some for I'm just cleaning it off a little bit so that when I open it up and kind of get into the electronics, I don't get a lot of dirt in the electronics. So this is kind of the equivalent of just like cleaning your car or something, you know? This is what I probably should have done all along. I'm like, but I cleaned it regularly. Just cleaned the dirt off of it. It's funny, you know, in the 90s, I played in a band, a jazz fusion band, where we hauled a Roland piano around with us everywhere we went, and we used this Echoplex, and it sounded fantastic, but it did see a lot of work, a lot of wear and tear. Went to New Orleans in 1999. We played New Orleans, which was super fun. And we played a New Year's Eve party in 1999 in New Orleans with the Echoplex. Maybe if I can find a video of that, I think I have a video of that. I'll patch in a video when I'm done with this, or when I'm doing post-production. So anyway, there's some cleaning of the parts, and we can spray a little deoxit on the sound knob. Switch it back and forth a little bit. That works well. Clean off the excess. So that's nice. All right, good. Hey everybody, I'm back. Got some dinner in me. I realized the lighting situation, it's nighttime now, and the lighting situation in this room is horrible. So I set up some lights, and hopefully we'll have a little bit better video now. So anyway, what I was gonna do is take this tape out. I got my screws out, and I'm just gonna take the tape out. Try not to ruin it in any way. Let's take a close look at it as I do this. So, see where the tape goes. I think I can pull a little bit of slack on the tape. I should be able to just pull it out. I actually want to save this tape because it's nothing necessarily wrong with it. It's just that this thing's really old. It's just that I want to put a new one in to see if that doesn't improve the echo. Look at that, look at this thing. Oh my gosh. Look at how much you can see all the magnetic residue, dirt. So I'll save this, put it back in the box when I put my new tape on. So I'm going to take this off. I'm taking the tape out. There's my tape. So I can see if I can, if there's any way. I'm just going to put it to the side for a moment. Get a little alcohol going. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour a little bit of alcohol into another cup I've got here. Pour a little alcohol in there. I can use that a little bit for the Echoplex, a little bit for Ezra. So I'm going to take some alcohol and I can put this cap back on here. Put that over there.
Like a pinball, I said I know just what you mean. She said I ran into a magnet trap in an electric dream, a strange dream. Everywhere I go out on Sunday, everywhere I go, she can't be found. Well, I wait for her by a subway stair in this magnet town, this magnet town. Like a pinball, I said I know just what you mean. She said I ran into a magnet trap in an electric dream, a strange dream. Don't be alarmed to find silhouettes and heartbreak rising from the dust. Don't stick to where you are, just wipe away the cobwebs and travel where you must. Don't bear yourself unkind with memories of the heartburn and things you thought unjust. Don't struggle like a saint. The truth is they forgave you for every time you cussed. Your life is full of love. don't give another thought to enemies of your bravery that caused you such a fuss. Don't fill your pail with tears or favor one for another. Hope begins with rust. Life is full of lush. Oh, your life is full of love. It's been a long time, I've been losing sleep. The windows of my fortune, the moving of my feet, and far above my head, a note is falling down. Remember not to lust till life is full of love. Your life is full of love. Don't be alarmed to find silhouettes and heartbreak rising from the dust. Don't stick to where you are, just wipe away